And of course, this is a global crisis, so the number of coronavirus victims around the world continues to soar. This morning, Spain, for example, has more reported cases than China, and globally, more than 34,000 patients have died. And there are now growing concerns about the virus spreading in developing countries. Our Charlie D'Agata shows how other parts of the world are coping.
This is what it looks like when a nation of 1.3 billion goes into lockdown. Social distancing out of the question in India as thousands of now jobless workers made a mass exodus back to their villages. In South Africa's poorest communities, soldiers ordered people home in no uncertain terms.
Please, 1 meter away.
As the coronavirus takes aim at some developing parts of the world with potentially devastating consequences. But in hard-hit Italy, one sliver of optimism. Although another 756 people died from the virus, the numbers there continue to trend downward. The dead have been stacking up so quickly, priests in the north have had to conduct mass funerals. Coffins carried by forklifts onto military trucks for burial. Death on an industrial scale. They died without the possibility to talk to their loved ones, without anyone who could comfort them. Spain's death toll continued to surge. Patients in overwhelmed hospitals spill into hallways. And in Hubei, China, once the epicenter for the virus, life is returning to normal after the province reported its 6th straight day with no new cases. Now, here in the UK, the death toll has now reached more than 1,200. Many people asking how much longer can this go on? Well, this sobering assessment from British health officials, things may not be back to normal for another 6 months. Gail?
Thank you very much, Charlie D'Agata, reporting from London.